Dear students, it is class 12th entrepreneurship. Today, let us know that whether management is a science or it is an art, or we can say management as a science, art, and profession. Let us know what is management a science. First, let us know that what is science. In simple words, we can say that science is a systematic body of knowledge based on certain principles capable of general applications. यानी ये मालूमात का एक ऐसा सिस्टम होता है साइंस जिसमें कुछ उसूल होते हैं और वो उसूल जो हैं वो इतने अहल होते हैं, इतने परफेक्ट होते हैं, इतने कैपेबल होते हैं ताकि हम उनको आम चीज़ों पर अप्लाई कर सकें। उसूलों की ये जो है नॉलेज की एक ऐसी बॉडी, एक ऐसा मुजस्मा, एक ऐसा सिस्टम जो कि कुछ उसूलों पर मुबनी होता है, तो हम उन उसूलों को तमाम चीज़ों पर अप्लाई करते हैं, या हम कह सकते हैं कि सिस्टमेटिक नॉलेज दैट इज़ ऑब्टेन्ड थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, एक ऐसी जानकारी जो हम मुशाहिदे के ज़रिए हासिल करते हैं, ऑब्जर्वेशन, एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन यानी तजुर्बात के ज़रिए हासिल करते हैं, एंड टेस्टिंग, और बाद में उसका टेस्ट भी करते हैं। लेकिन एक ऐसी सिस्टमेटिक नॉलेज, the systematic knowledge that we obtain from the observations, experiments, and testing. This is science. When we say management, whether it has the characteristics of a science, we say that just we see physics, chemistry, biology, these are the different fields of science. Management itself has some characteristics. On the basis of them, we can say that it is a science, although it is not pure science as we say physics, chemistry, biology. But in this very science, what we say, would test the human behavior. It is a science of human behavior. It is a science of events and situations. And then through this science, we can establish cause and effect relationship between two or more variables. So in that very context, we can say that it is a science which observes human behavior, which observes events, which observes situations, because science, it depends upon the observations and then experiments and then testing. So all these things, they are to be done in a management, because it reads, examines human behavior, it then observes the events and situations, and then there is a cause and effect relationship between two and more variables. So we can say that this is also a science. Management is also a science. It is a social science. We say that management is a social science because we test here, we see the cause and effect, we make the experiments, and then we apply these experiments on human behavior. So in that very context, we can say that management is a science. Then let us know that whether it is an art. First, let us know what is art. Art is the application of knowledge. यानी आर्ट क्या है कि हम अपनी नॉलेज जो है, हमारा इल्म जो है, तो हम उसको अप्लाई करते हैं स्किलफुली, बड़े हुनर से, अपनी नॉलेज को हुनर से एक तरीके से अप्लाई करना ताकि हम कुछ रिजल्ट्स हासिल कर सकें। तो उस लिहाज से हम कह सकते हैं कि मैनेजमेंट जो है, इट इज़ प्योरली एन आर्ट, although we have observed that it is a science. At the same time, we can say it is an art because we apply the knowledge very skillfully to get the desired results. मैनेजमेंट में है जो कुछ वाकफियत एज एन एंटरप्रीनियर, एज ए बिजनेसमैन हमारे पास होती है, जो कुछ नॉलेज हमारे पास होती है, तो उसको हम अप्लाई करते हैं ताकि हमारे मकासद जो हैं, हमारा प्रॉफिट मोटिव जो है, हम उसको हासिल करते हैं, या मार्केटिंग में, या जो जितने भी फील्ड्स हमारे पे, या सेल्स में, जितने भी हमारे फील्ड्स आते हैं, तो उनमें हमारे स्किल जो है, हमारी नॉलेज जो है, उसके तय उसके साथ हम डिज़ायर्ड रिजल्ट जो हैं उनको हासिल करते हैं. So in both these ways we can say that it's this management, it is a science and it is also an art. Although we can say that it involves skillful application of scientific knowledge to achieve the desired results. यानी एक इंसान, आम इंसान इसको अप्लाई नहीं कर सकता है जब तक उसके पास स्किल हो, और फिर उस स्किल को वो अप्लाई करता है साइंटिफिकली, इन ए रिक्वायर्ड मैनर, इन ए साइंटिफिक मैनर, टू गेट द डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट्स. But what we have to see, we require insight and judgment about the human behavior, because in every type of, just in pure science, what we see, a surgeon goes in an operation theater and he has some of the tools with him. But when we talk of a manager who deals with the management as a scientist, what he has to do, his tools, he has not such tools, because he has just to deal with the human behavior. He is not working with some tools. His tools are just his technique, which is inside him. The capabilities, they lie inside him. So he is not going like a doctor in an operation theater. He has not to deal like that, because he has to deal with the human behavior, and he has to work so much skillfully, because because he has to read the human behavior, and he has to take the things from a human being very skillfully, and then he has to apply these skills, these things, to get the desired results, to achieve the goals of this management, of all the goals of the organization. So we can say that management is a science as well as an art. But when we say science, it is young and developing. It is a young and developing science. It is not, um, it has not a long history. It has not a long history as a science, because it is yet in its infancy stage. But as an art, it is very old, because it has emerged as an art. Now it is applied as a science, but it has emerged as an art. Peter Drucker, he says that every organization has, by and large, the same resources to work with. It is equality of management. It is the quality of management that spells the difference between success and failure of the organization. तो इसमें क्या है, यानी ये दोनों चीज़ें इसमें, जैसे साइंस में भी होता है कि एक साइंटिस्ट जितने भी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करता है, ऑब्जर्वेशंस करता है, वो अपनी नॉलेज को अप्लाई करता है, लेकिन उसके लिए रिजल्ट जो हैं वो पॉजिटिव में भी हो सकते हैं और नेगेटिव में भी हो सकते हैं. सेम इज़ द केस विद द मैनेजमेंट, बिकॉज every person is skillful person, he applies his knowledge, but later on the results can be positive as well as they can be negative. He can be successful to achieve the desired goals, and sometimes what happens, he cannot be in a position to achieve the desired goals. So in short, we can say that management may be regarded as the art of doing, and management may be regarded as the art of knowledge that underlies the art. यानी ये जो है, ये एक तरीका है काम करने का, लेकिन इसमें क्या है, ये बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज है दैट अंडरलाइज द आर्ट. यानी ये जो है, ये आर्ट के तहत, मेरे साइंस है, ये साइंस है, लेकिन इसको आर्ट के ताबिया काम करना पड़ता है, because it is not a pure science. It is yet at its initial stage. It is yet at its infancy. So it is not that very knowledge, or that very it has not that very application of knowledge that is in physics, chemistry, biology, and other sciences. So this is enough. We knew that management is a science as well as an art.